Are you tired of those pesky white flakes on your shoulders? You're not alone. Dandruff is a common condition affecting almost half of the global population at some point. This prevalent scalp condition can bring discomfort, irritation, and even embarrassment. The constant itch and the snowfall on your shoulders can feel like an unending battle. But here's some good news: you don't have to wage this war alone, and definitely not unarmed. Nature has graciously provided a plethora of remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms of dandruff and soothe that itchy scalp. From the potent tea tree oil to the humble coconut, from the soothing aloe vera to the versatile apple cider vinegar, the list is long and impressive. So, are you ready to explore these natural remedies and take the first step towards a healthier, flake-free scalp? Let's dive in. First on our list is tea tree oil, known for its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. This wonder oil has a long-standing reputation in treating various skin conditions, including acne and psoriasis. But what makes it particularly effective against dandruff is its ability to combat the Malassezia yeast, often the culprit behind those pesky white flakes. So how do you use it? It's quite simple. Just dilute a few drops of tea tree oil in a carrier oil. Jojoba or coconut oil work well. Once you've done that, gently massage the mixture into your scalp. Let it sit for a few hours, allowing the oil to work its magic, and then wash it off. But remember, tea tree oil can irritate sensitive skin, so always ensure it's adequately diluted before you apply it. Moving on to our next natural remedy, coconut oil. This tropical treat is celebrated for its myriad health benefits and its impressive moisturizing properties. A research study conducted over 8 weeks found that applying coconut oil reduced symptoms of atopic dermatitis, a type of eczema, by a whopping 68%. This is likely due to its antimicrobial properties, which can help combat dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. So, how can you incorporate coconut oil into your hair care routine? Well, it's as easy as warming up some oil and massaging it into your scalp. This could be an overnight treatment or something you leave on for a few hours before washing your hair. The warmth helps the oil penetrate the hair shaft, maximizing its effectiveness. So there you have it, 2 natural, accessible, and effective remedies for dandruff and itchy scalp. The key with both tea tree oil and coconut oil is to remember to dilute and warm, respectively. These simple steps can help ensure the oils work their best, giving you a healthier, flake-free scalp. Remember, always dilute tea tree oil before use and warm up coconut oil for best results. Next up, we have aloe vera, a succulent with antibacterial and antifungal properties. This green gem is not just for sunburns. It has a cooling effect, which can soothe an itchy scalp, and it may also protect against dandruff. The application is quite straightforward. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off. This can be repeated as often as you feel necessary. However, always remember to patch test any new remedies to ensure they don't irritate your skin. Now, let's transition to another age-old remedy, apple cider vinegar, or as it's commonly known, ACV. For centuries, ACV has been used for its numerous health benefits. When it comes to your scalp, ACV may help reduce dandruff by balancing the pH, which can make it harder for yeast to thrive. So how do you use it? The application is simple. Mix equal parts of ACV and water. After you've shampooed your hair, use this mixture as a final rinse. This rinse can help give your hair a shiny finish, but keep in mind, it's vinegar we're talking about. Be cautious not to get the mixture in your eyes. Just like with any remedy, it's all about consistency. You might not see changes overnight, but don't let that discourage you. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthy scalp. It's about finding what works best for you and sticking with it. Remember, these remedies are not one-size-fits-all solutions. Each person is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. So, don't be disheartened if the first remedy you try doesn't give you the results you expected. There are plenty of options out there, and it's all about finding the right one for you. Be cautious not to get the apple cider vinegar mixture in your eyes. Now let's move on to dietary remedies. Did you know that what you eat can affect your scalp health? Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids are not just good for your heart and brain, but also for your scalp. These fatty acids are essential nutrients that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. They hold a powerful punch in the fight against dandruff and itchy scalp due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often at the root of skin conditions, including dandruff. So, incorporating more omega-3s into your diet can help keep your scalp healthy. Some of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. You can also get a healthy dose of omega-3s from flax seeds and walnuts. These can be easily added to your morning smoothie or sprinkled over a salad. Now let's pivot to another important element in our diet: probiotics. Have you heard of the gut-skin axis? Well, it's a concept that illustrates the interplay between our digestive system and our skin. A balanced gut microbiome can positively impact your scalp health. In fact, research has shown that probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, may also help control dandruff. Probiotic-rich foods include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. These foods not only support digestive health but also contribute to a healthier scalp. By adding these to your diet, you're fostering a friendly environment for beneficial bacteria to thrive, which in turn can help manage dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. So remember to enrich your diet with omega-3s and probiotics. They may not be the first things that come to mind when you think of dandruff remedies, but they can make a significant difference. Moving on, let's talk about a common kitchen item that might surprise you. Ever thought of using baking soda for your scalp? Well, it can help remove dead skin cells. This common kitchen ingredient acts as a natural exfoliant, gently scrubbing away the flakes that often come with dandruff. However, it's important to proceed with caution. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste and gently apply it to your scalp. Rinse thoroughly to ensure no residue is left behind, as this could lead to further irritation. Now let's talk about stress. Did you know that chronic stress can actually worsen dandruff? It's true. When your body is stressed, it can throw off your scalp's natural balance, leading to an increase in dandruff. But don't worry, there are ways to manage this. Consider incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine. This might include meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. These practices can help reduce stress levels, promoting a more balanced and dandruff-free scalp. Of course, it's not just about what you put on your scalp or how you manage stress. What you put into your body also plays a crucial role in managing dandruff. Staying hydrated is key to maintaining overall skin health, including the health of your scalp. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and don't forget about your diet. Consuming foods rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B and minerals, can support your scalp health and help keep those pesky flakes at bay. So to sum up, baking soda can be an effective natural exfoliant for your scalp. Stress management techniques can help balance your scalp's natural state, and proper hydration and a balanced diet are essential for maintaining overall skin health. Managing stress and maintaining a healthy diet can go a long way in managing dandruff. But what if these remedies don't work? If home remedies don't show improvement within 2 weeks, it's time to seek professional advice. It's crucial to understand that while natural remedies can be effective, they're not a substitute for professional medical care. Persistent dandruff and an itchy scalp could indicate a more serious condition requiring expert intervention. Let's recap what we've learned. Tea tree oil, coconut oil, aloe vera, and apple cider vinegar may help combat dandruff and soothe your scalp due to their antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Including omega-3 fatty acids and probiotics in your diet might also support scalp health. Baking soda can be used as a gentle exfoliant, but with caution. Managing stress, staying hydrated, and maintaining a balanced diet are essential for overall skin health. Consistency is key with these natural remedies. With patience and proper hair care, you're on your way to a healthier, flake-free scalp. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a healthier, flake-free scalp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health and wellness tips. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content like this. But we're not just about giving advice, we're about building a community. So, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of the remedies we discussed in this video? Do you have your own tried and tested solutions to combat dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp? Share your experiences or suggestions in the comments section below. We value your input and look forward to learning from you. Remember, we're in this together. Stay tuned for more health and wellness advice, and as always, stay healthy and happy. See you in the next video. And remember, if you have any specific questions or need further information, feel free to ask. Take the reins of your well-being. Welcome to Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda, your trusted companion in your health journey. We simplify the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda, providing practical guidance to help you attain your health aspirations. Remember, good health is not a destination but a journey made less arduous by the potent remedies nature has to offer. Each herb, each root, each leaf holds the promise of wellness, and we're here to guide you in unlocking these natural secrets. So, whether you're a seasoned Ayurveda enthusiast or a curious novice, Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda is your reliable resource. Subscribe and join our community of wellness seekers. Until we meet again, stay well, stay healthy, and remember, nature is your greatest ally. Let Nature's Cure Indian Ayurveda be your guide on this journey of health and wellness.